Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the small tag in HTML. The small tag in HTML. What is the meaning of this tag? Why do we need it, and why do we have to use it in HTML? There are some cases you will need to make use of this small tag in HTML, though it is not so very common, but yet there are some cases you might need it. So let me show you the beauty of using the small tag element in HTML. So let's start. So for example, let me use my paragraph tag. So now let me generate some text using Lorem. Now I have this. Here. So now in between the paragraph tag, so let me generate another set of text. So now I'll be making use of the small tag. So now let's see. Now let me generate another lorem for you to see. So now you see we have this here, the small tag. So I'm coming. Let me use the break tag to create a space in between. Now you see. Now you can see the top one is the normal font, normal size of the font we have in HTML. So now why the second text I generated using Lorem is the you can see that the font is very small. You understand? Because I generated the text in between the small tag. You understand? So any text you placed in between the small tag, the text will be smaller from the normal tag. So let me show you another example. So that you understand better. So let me see. Let me use my paragraph tag again. Paragraph tags. Okay, let me say welcome to my website. Now you see I have it here. Welcome to my website. So now let me use another paragraph tag entirely so that you will get it better. Now let me use the small tag. Now the same text. Welcome to my website. Now check it out. Now you can see the difference. Now this is the normal text. The first one here is the normal text, while the second one here is with the small tag. So that's how you can make use of the small tag in HTML. So thank you for watching my tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to discuss about another useful tags in HTML. So thank you.